In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook email to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have your Outlook inbox linked inside ChatGPT using the built-in apps feature, so everything works seamlessly from one place. Start on the main ChatGPT screen. Look to the bottom left corner and click your profile. This opens a small menu where you can manage your account. From there, click Settings. This takes you to the control center for your ChatGPT experience, where connections and preferences live. Inside Settings, choose Apps. Apps is where you enable official connections so ChatGPT can securely work with trusted services. You'll see options to explore what's available and manage what you've already connected. Next, click Explore Apps or Add More. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled slightly differently, but both take you to the same catalog of integrations. You'll find a search field at the top of that catalog. Click into the search field and type Outlook Email. This narrows the list to the Outlook integration. When you see it appear, select it and then click Connect. This is the moment where ChatGPT and Outlook start their secure handshake. A permission window may appear, often from Microsoft. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. You may be asked to confirm which Outlook or Microsoft account you want to use and to grant specific permissions, such as access to read or manage emails. Take a moment to review what's being requested so you understand how the integration will work. If your organization manages your account, you might see an additional approval step. Simply proceed with the prompts you're shown. Once you've completed any instructions, the connection is done. You'll know it's successful when Outlook email appears among your connected apps. From here, ChatGPT can work with your Outlook account as allowed by the permissions you accepted. If the Outlook option doesn't appear right away in search, double-check the spelling. Availability can also vary by region, plan, or workspace settings, so what you see may differ slightly from one account to another. That's normal, and simply depends on how your account is configured. Remember, you stay in control of your data. Connecting an app gives it only the access you approve during setup, and you can review or remove connections later from the same app section in Settings whenever you need to. And that's it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, chose Apps, explored the catalog, searched for Outlook email, connected it, and followed any prompts. Your Outlook email is now linked to ChatGPT and ready to use.